complete. Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado, tenga las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del tren.
People are really excited.
Pequeños.
It's getting dark in here. Darkness.
Interesting music.
Batman. Yeah, that was interesting.
So we're in the Grand Canyon now.
Grand Canyon. So yeah, I don't even have to go to Arizona. It's right here.
Is the Grand Canyon in Arizona?
I think it is.
Okay.
Or like in between here in Arizona.
Yeah, it's somewhere around here.
Somewhere around there.
Some deer.
Here.
And porcupine.
Where? Oh, porcupine.
And here's some mountain lions.
Porcupines can climb trees?
Yes, they can.
Really? I thought they were just like, or maybe that's a hedgehog.
It's a bird.
It's an eagle.
Ever.
Is it getting stormy?
No. There's another mountain lion.
Oh, it's a baby. Oh, wait. Never mind. It's not a baby.
There's some goats and some turkeys.
And I thought they were vultures.
Those are turkeys, definitely.
Goats.
I think they're rams.
Rams. You said goats, so I should exit.
As we know it today, but it wasn't always that way. Right now,
And now Disney has to take you back in time.
Back to the
Because it's Disney and they just are not allowed to do that.
Oh, dinosaurs?
Yeah. Sweet.
Oh, they can't really see them.
So some giant snails.
Giant snail on there. I don't know. That can't really see it. I'll point it out.
There's some more. There's some dinosaurs. Here's some really tall dinosaurs.
Look, Charlie, it's a magical leopardon.
That's not a leopardon, that's a brontosaurus.
There we go. I was trying to make you say the name.
Oh, jeez. There's some pterodactyls.
I know what they are, thank you.
I'm just pointing them out.
For the people watching this video.
And triceratops.
And baby ones.
Trying to get out of eggs. That sounded weird. Here's some weird, like, long-necked dinosaurs. Drinking water. Or this one drinks water. The other two never get close.
No, that one's drinking right there.
Oh, okay. This is the Tyrannosaurus Rex fighting a Stegosaurus.
Wow, epic scenery. See, this is informational, Brittany. You could be a good teacher. For dinosaurs.
Tyrannosaurus Rex actually only has 3 fingers that Walt Disney wanted 4, so it would look cooler. So it has 4 instead of 3. But they did get the fact that it has really tiny arms right. If you've ever seen Meet the Robinsons, you know what I mean.
What?
Never mind.
Oh, I've never seen that movie.
Okay, that's why you don't get it.
Okay.
We're now steaming back to our own time and to Main Street Station, gateway to Disneyland.
Are we getting
If
off
you'll
here?
be leaving us here,
Okay.
stay in your
still
seat
going.
till we come to
Okay,
a full
good.
stop. And remember to gather all your personal belongings, including
Some
the
plant
guns
life.
if you got any. And stand
Look, I'm
carefully
going to point
from
out
the
some
rain.
plant life for you.
I'd especially like to thank those of you who've been with me for
Plant
the
life.
Grand Circle Tour of Disneyland.
Just copying the guy who we had on the Jungle Cruise yesterday.
Come back and see us
That was my
again
first time on, so it was funny. But Brittany says they used all the same puns.
We'll be on our way again
They're not
in just
puns,
a
they're
few
They're
minutes.
jokes, whatever. People!
This is Main Street Station.
Hey, it's Goofy over there.
Main Street, USA.
Good job.
And more people that I'm not going to record just because I don't want to.
Alright.
Look it, there's a conductor.
Alright. Are we good? Stop.
Stopping now.